Welcome to App Trap, claptrap for crap apps, and anything else that rhymes. Today we have the single most essential app you'll ever download to your phone, Amazing Fart Sounds, and it truly is amazing. Fart Machine Mode gives you the power of producing the sound of every possible sphincter siren known to ear and nose, such as the quick fart, the rigid fart, and who could forget those little squishy ones? Think that's amazing? Well, actually, of course you do! But there's more. That's right, from your arsehole to your hands, now you can hear the rarest of trumps ever unleashed into the atmosphere, such as the drive-by farting, the lawnmower, the uh-oh, the motorbike, and way too many more. Want to get your daily fix of fart but have a busy schedule ahead? Have a sharp fart. Feeling feminine and want to fit in with the ladies? Whip out a whiff of the girl fart and gain their affection in no time. Remember, expressions of unbelievable disgust and a slap around your chops are all classic signs of affection guaranteed to come your way with this wonderful app. And who could forget the fart song? And the jingle bell. Triple thumbs up if you've ever managed to pull those two out of your back passage. You belong in the circus, buddy. But I know what you're thinking. This app already is fantastic.
Actually, nah.
But what would make it even more mind-blowing would be a selection of games that pump Trump noises out as you play. Well, you're in luck, and you probably live in some sort of asylum. We've all wondered why Super Mario never bottom burped over Goombas, or let off a wet one as he slid down the flagpole. That's where fart survival wafts in. We've all played the white and black tile game, but you haven't truly experienced pleasure until you've played the arse sneeze version. For a double fart challenge, play this on a train with the sound on full and see how long your phone lasts in the carriage before being thrown out of the window by disgruntled commuters, i.e. normal people who simply don't understand the joy. The Fart Bomb. Select your scented gift to the world and it's time of unwrapping. Put your phone in your pocket and fool your friends and family into thinking you really farted. They will disown you, but so what? It was coming anyway. The Fart Shaker. Forget shaking your booty with the phone in safe mode. Shake your phone after booting in fart mode. There are so many uses for the Fart Shaker that we literally haven't got the time to name any. I know it's hard to believe, but this app isn't all great fun and games. The Amazing Fart Sounds team cherishes learning and the education of its users. God knows they need it. Prove your impressively low IQ to the stinking world with the Fart Quiz. No, the questions do not feature any butt trumpet trivia. So what on earth has it got to do with farts, you're asking? Great question. And by the way, don't you dare ask me any more. Get a question right and you're rewarded with a pleasant little toot. But get a question wrong and you're dealt with a sound your ears will never forgive you for. It's a type of fart with such potency that the building has to be evacuated and the occupied room must be burned to the ground before life may continue to exist in the area.
That's it. Everybody out.
You can even give your mental arithmetic a huge boost by solving the simplest of maths equations with absolutely no time constraints. Calculate what 17 farts minus 3 farts would be in your own time, then tap in your answer. Our research has indicated the average user requires just 6 hours to solve each problem. Can you do better? And with regular updates, the amazing Fart Sounds app is constantly providing the victim with fartastic new content. Write and send your suggested questions and it could appear in our quiz. University Challenge just got a smelly rival. Now I know you're just itching to download, but stay with us because sadly there's even more.
Oh god, no.
Bring a whole new meaning to wind instrument with the fart piano. You can shart all over orchestral masterpieces from the likes of Beethoven, Johann Sebastian Schart, Schartberg and Johann Trauserripper. Whoops, looks like I hit a bum note. This piano has all the fart notes you'll ever need and more, namely all of them. From B sharp to D flatulence, you can make amazing works of musical fart that would even give Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart a run for his money. He must wish he was still alive to hear such magical melodies. And just listen to all of the happy customers. Boring. I had to force myself to laugh, and even then I couldn't. Like, how stupid can games even get? It is just gross and a useless app. It sends me to sleep and it is so boring. I hate this app. I need to pretend that 1 star is really 0 stars. It is that bad. I cannot possibly even make up a good reason about this app. It's hilarious. I couldn't stop laughing. You should really try this game, you won't stop laughing. I scared my uncle with one giant juicy fart, get it? Poop. I was in the bathroom and my mum thought I had diarrhea. Crashes every 5 seconds. Waste of storage on your phone. Funny for about 4 minutes, then it will crash every 5 seconds and be useless. Sounds like someone got a bad score on survival mode, Mike. I think it's a bad thing in world. It's kind of dumb. I don't like it. My sister loved it. I loved it. It farts. It farts. It sure does, Robert. So what are you waiting for? Download this unmissable app today. Unfortunately, Fart Sounds has stopped. Fortunately, more like. This is utter crap. This is a useless app. Oh, are we still rolling? Okay, just remember to edit it out before you broadcast it, okay?